Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up a budget in QuickBooks online. When you are in QuickBooks, click on the settings icon. Next, select budgeting. Here you can plan your finances to stay ahead. You can create budgets using financial data available within QuickBooks. Also, you can compare actual performance against budgeted numbers. Import budgets created outside of QuickBooks. You can create a budget too. Now click on Import Budget. Use the template provided to format your data in a way QuickBooks understand. Enter the budget type here. Select the time and budget format. Next, click on Create a Budget. Choose your preferred options like profit or loss for the budget type. Enter the period and select budget form and pre-fill data. Then click Next. A balance sheet budget helps you track your financial position, like bank account balances and loan amounts, over time compared to your expectation. When creating a balance sheet budget, enter target ending balances and use the status bar to help balance the amounts. Click Create a Budget again. Set up the profit and loss budget. Select the year you want to create a budget for. Then, consolidated budgets help you budget for your entire organization, while subdivided budgets help you budget for specific customers. Let us create a budget for the entire organization. Click Next. QuickBooks automatically names the budget. You can change it if needed. If you have actual financial data or budgets from previous years, QuickBooks displays that data here. You can choose to reference data form from this menu or use the toggle to turn it off entirely. To copy the reference data to the new budget, select the checkbox, then click Batch Action and choose Copy Reference Data. You can also choose to clear data. You can switch between filling out your budget for the entire year or entering quarterly or monthly amounts. Enter or change a number in the appropriate field or copy the same number to the right field. If you have entered a budgeted amount and you want to divide it evenly among the fields, select this button. Once you are done, click Save and QuickBooks will list all your budgets here. If you need to change a budget, select it to make changes. You can select the drop-down menu to run reports related to a specific budget. You can archive, duplicate, or delete it. Archiving a budget removes it from view, but you can still toggle to see your archived budgets. This is also where you can create or import new budgets. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.